Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
I was tripped on the way out.
I was going to say, are you okay? Did that hurt your foot?
I'm okay.
There's like a metal thing on our door you have to step over, and a lot of people trip over it.
Right here.
You guys, it is a beautiful morning. It's a bit breezy right now out here, but the sun is shining. There are so many boats right now. Look at this, babe. There's like a lineup of boats waiting for the bridge to go up.
Oh, wow.
There's
Holy
one,
cow.
2, 3.
Yeah,
One just went under.
Bridge is going up right now.
Jet skis. We had quite the windstorm last night. All of our cushions and everything were everywhere. I was just trying to put them all back together. Finn has his little buddy Duke over hanging out, little play date.
What's up, bro?
You guys probably haven't seen Duke in a while, but Duke, we're actually really good friends with his mom, Carissa, neighbors.
Cool.
We've been neighbors with her for over 5 years.
I know, isn't that
And we always
incredible?
like watch each other's dogs if like one of us is being gone for the day. So a lot of the time, like when we go boating, Finn's usually over at Duke's house, so that way he's like not home alone. So it's really, really nice. But we're watching him for today. But you guys, we are so excited. We have some really fun plans. Later on, we're gonna go to the gym, and then we are gonna go do something that we've never done. Since we've lived here, which is shocking that we've never done this, and it's so close to us.
We have talked about this a bunch on our channel already before. I've been using it for months. I literally use it every single day. I put it in my smoothies, or sometimes I just take it straight, which Brittany likes to do.
That's how I take it. I take it straight up.
But this is called Live It Up, and it is super greens, and this one's wild berry flavor, in my personal opinion, the best one.
I love that it's made with all organic vegetables.
Look at all this stuff.
Really
I can't even pronounce all this stuff, but you got wheatgrass, kale, broccoli, spinach. I mean, I don't even know how to pronounce those two, so I'm gonna try. But the thing is I like about it is that it's really good for your digestion, and for people like me with like a weak stomach, it doesn't make me bloated, which I absolutely love.
Stuff helped me a ton, especially with like bloating and all of that. Plus I love, you guys know we're trying to be really healthy around here. If you guys want to try it, Live It Up, we do have a discount code for 15% off. It's JB15. You can either scan the QR code right here or click the link in the description below. Are you ready to drink up, babe? Cheers to good health right here, starting off the day right. Also, it's beautiful outside.
All right, hope you guys can hear us. It's a bit windy out. We were trying out our mics with the little wind muffs, plus we got the wind resistant on.
You guys,
hope this pans out.
We just got to the Fort Lauderdale's Farmers Market, which goes on every Saturday and Sunday, and we have never come to it before.
Yeah, we wanted to try it out, so we just figured, hey, here we are, we're gonna come take a look.
I don't know how we have not been to it. We've driven by it hundreds of times, but we have never come to it. So today, we didn't have a lot going on. We're like, let's go to the Farmers Market, bring you guys along with us. It's right along A1A. Jared, just show what's across the street.
Look at that. That's A1A, that's the beach. I mean, can't get better than that, right?
You really can't. I'm so excited to see what they have. So guys, I think there's a ton of obviously local art.
I want to come take a look.
Oh, those are pretty.
These look nice.
I bet these are all like hand painted.
Yeah, these look
really
beautiful.
Cute, like little jewelry dish.
Wow.
Something, right? Like, or to put your keys in.
Oh, look at that. Louis Vuitton.
Those are so cute.
That's
those
cute.
Ornaments.
Yeah. These are really cute. These are all hand painted. Wow.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah, they look beautiful. This one's really pretty. You got jewelry in this one. Ooh, I'm digging the rings. Look at these earrings, Britt. These are kind of fun. Are these earrings? Oh no, what is this?
I think those are more, no, those I think are charms. Thing to go on a necklace.
Shows you how much I know. Really beautiful necklaces, more rings, bracelets right there. Looks like we got some bracelets over here. Ooh, my favorite section. All right, what are we getting? Britt, no, I think you missed it. It's back here.
Oh, look how cute this is. Hi, how are you?
Wow, okay.
Oh, look how cute. Look, they got like seashells. Look at all the earrings, like dolphins. This is so cute.
These are 18 karat gold plated.
Oh, I love this with like the seahorses.
Yeah, look at that.
It's really cute.
Those are really cute.
Babe, I see hot dogs, burgers,
Oh,
fresh
baby.
coconut water.
What?
That's
Now, do we need
so
to get a
fun.
coconut here? Or a hot dog?
Look, like when they
I mean,
serve the
both are
water
good,
in
right?
the actual coconut. Look how fun.
Oh my gosh, it's Wilson. Did you see that?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Check it out. It's Wilson. That's cool. Ooh. I always like these type of tacos. These are good. 3 for $15. That's a steal. Wow.
Yes.
What?
This is why I want to go to the fresh fruit.
The fresh fruit. Okay,
gotta
yeah.
go
Oh,
check it
Brittany,
out.
look at this. Sweet
Ooh.
Blends, King of Bowls.
I've never heard of them before.
Yeah.
Acai bowls?
I don't know about you guys, but seeing all this stuff is kind of making me want to possibly do some type of entrepreneurial type thing here. Maybe, you know, get us set up some type of business or something like that.
That
Up in
could
one of
be
these.
fun.
You know, we're always talking about that soda idea. This would be the perfect place to do it, right?
We got a photo bomber behind you. That was funny.
okay.
That was awesome.
But this fresh fruit, I mean, this would be delicious,
Oh, I gotta
right?
check out the fruit.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. We got all this fresh fruit down here. Looks like they're doing juices over here, smoothies.
That'd be a
So
pretty
fun.
fresh smoothie, that's for sure.
So you
Hey.
guys, this is the area. Look how pretty this is. Remember where the Christmas tree usually is?
Oh,
This
yeah,
is where
yeah.
it's happening right here.
Hey, look at this, Britt. I think you actually would like this section. I'm not being like, you know, just a guy, but this is like the cover-up stuff.
Oh,
You like
yeah,
those, right?
That's fun. Some,
Right?
those are cute. Some
See?
cute shorts, skirts.
See, guys, I did good. Oh, so you wore something just like this the other day. Almost
Yeah,
identical.
I do have this swimsuit cover up
Yeah.
kind of like that.
See?
Wow, babe. Oh, this is really cute.
You like that one?
I like that.
Man,
That's a
I
cute,
did good.
That's a cute cover.
I did good.
I love everything. I did good. Yeah, those are all really cute.
What about
Oh, I feel like this is like really trendy right now. Things with eyes on it.
the giant
I've
eyes?
seen that before. Yeah.
Ooh, what about that one?
Oh, this is really cute.
See?
I like that
guys,
little bag.
look at me. I know my
I
wife.
got your mom one similar to this.
Oh, yeah,
when
yeah,
she
yeah.
came.
This one, if this was in your size, I don't know.
It's really cute.
Oh, wait. I think I'm just finding the style that Brittany
Oh,
likes.
yeah, babe.
Yeah,
I
it's not
thought
busy, I
it'd
thought
be
it was
busier.
gonna
Maybe
be.
it's because it's every week. I
Yeah.
don't know.
This is
Oh,
interesting. This could be good
cute.
stuff.
Look at
Maybe
these
over
belts
here.
with the seashells.
Yeah, like leather.
This bag's really cute.
This is handmade.
Wow.
And do you make all of these yourself?
No, these are from Guatemala.
Oh,
They
Guatemala.
This is made by artisans. They make everything from scratch. The
Wow.
thing they are is 100%
Wow.
organic cotton.
Okay, so she said that everything's
Wow.
handmade, made in Guatemala.
They're so cute.
That's her info right there. If you guys are interested.
I have stuff from my
Wow.
basket is from
This is really soft. Holy
Oh,
smokes.
Madagascar. Okay. Oh, the strap.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
So it can be a crossbody bag too.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That is so cute. I like the gray too.
I like this one. What's this one?
It's called a hobo bag. The design of it, isn't it so cute?
Called a hobo bag?
Yeah, it's like the design of it. It's really, really
Cool.
cute.
Wow. Feels good.
Babe, look, they got your hats,
Oh,
fedoras.
yeah. Those are nice, you know?
You do need a new one. His other one got crushed.
I know, I got smashed. You gotta
You
be
do
so
need to
careful
get a
with
new
those,
one.
You know, it's tough. It's difficult. These are, looks like a scarf maybe.
Yeah,
Looks pretty.
little scarves. Oh, look at these little dresses.
These are so cute. Oh man, I love that. Then we got some more food. We got empanadas. We got another jewelry thing. We got some toys right here. More jewelry. We got pizza right here. You. More jewelry. More jewelry. Wow, jewelry is very, very popular. No questions.
Look how cute. That is
Wow.
quite the beach bag.
Yeah, you're not messing around with
The
that.
pearls on it. This one's really cute.
Hi, how are you?
Everything is handmade.
Everything's
Oh, it's
handmade.
handmade. Wow.
Awesome. They're-
Eco-friendly.
Oh yeah, there you go, handmade.
okay. How beautiful is that?
Yeah, that's
What do you
pretty.
think?
You rocking that?
Ooh, I love the big button right here. This one, I love this.
That is a pretty one.
So pretty. That's the stack.
Brittany's still on the hunt here. She's on the prowl for that perfect
I
thing.
mean, you gotta look at all the options.
Yeah.
And, you know, and then you come
Right?
back and see what you want. These are kind of cool, babe. Look at these. These are leather.
Leather little straps.
I feel like
I
the
feel like-
nephews would love
I
these.
feel like Nick Show would love these. Our friend. I feel like that's his style right there. The leather bracelets.
Okay, this is kind of fun. If ever you have kids, this is actually a giant splash pad right here, right across from the ocean, which is kind of fun for kids to come play in.
Oh,
it's not on
perfect.
right now. I wonder if it's on certain times of the year.
Yeah, they got stuff going on over here. It looks like they're setting up for something
like-
there.
Yeah, it looks like
Actually,
they're setting
like
up for
you
an
can see them
event.
setting up the chairs right this second. And then right here, it looks like maybe there's other vendors here. I don't know, but they're not there now, or maybe they're setting them up right now.
So
They're doing music right now. You can tell.
So we here actually, there's a farmer's market in West Palm. And
Ooh.
it's ranked the #1 farmer's market in the country.
Really?
So we are definitely going to be planning a day,
Yeah.
a weekend to go up there. It just opened. I think it's only during the cooler months here in Florida, so it starts here soon through the winter.
Oh, yeah.
But I have seen so many cool videos on it. So we definitely let us know if you've been to that farmer's market. And I think there's also one in Boca.
Yeah.
Any of you guys out there, let us know your favorite farmer's markets, though, because we want to go check them out.
Well, guys, we came, we saw, we conquered. We actually ended up meeting the owner. Like, he stopped us as we were talking, and he wanted to talk to us for a little bit. Anyways, he's like, you guys new to this? And we're like, yeah, we've never been here before. And we ended up just trading info, but I think it'd be cool to come back here and actually do something like entrepreneurial like.
I know. You guys know that we've talked about our little soda thing for a while.
I know.
We've just obviously had a lot going on and we haven't really done too much with it. But Jared was saying maybe starting it at a place like this could be kind of cool and just have a little tent and kind of see how it goes.
I know. It's like,
so,
because he was telling us the pricing and everything. It's just like, yeah, I mean, it's totally worth trying it out. And if we fail, like, oh, well.
So for any of you that don't know, Jared is like the biggest entrepreneur. He's started and sold several different companies, and he just has that spirit. He loves creating companies and loves business and meeting people and talking to people, and
it's my fave.
It's his favorite. Yes. And so he's definitely been brainstorming some different business ideas, and one of them being is like a soda thing, because there's no soda places out here in Florida.
I know.
And so we were just talking, like we could do sodas and use waters, and like the beach is literally right here. So you have all these people at the beach. It's hot. You want something to drink.
Oh, our sunglasses.
And that too.
All
so
right.
we got some things brewing, you guys. But the farmer's market, it's so fun just to walk around, grab something to eat. It's, right across from the beach.
I know. Check this out. I mean, again, right next to the beach.
So you can literally plan a little Saturday here if you want to come check out the market, go to the beach, grab some lunch here. Like,
perfect. Literally
so
perfect.
Fun. I mean, I can't think of a better place for a farmer's market than directly across from the beautiful beach.
I know. And there's lots of parking. There's parking literally right behind over here, like where these, you can kind of see right back there. That's where all the parking is. And so there's definitely spots.
Yes, and it looks like it goes till 5. So it's like open from 9 to 5 almost all day, which is really, really nice.
Now, we walk past these places quite often when we're on our little long walks. And I've actually always wanted to eat at both these restaurants. So this one's a Tequila Jack's right there. And this one over here called 411 South, I believe it's what it's called.
Yes, I've
seen it quite a few times.
I've heard some good things about the 411. We've never eaten there.
Oh, and it's right next to, check this out, a sushi shop.
Above the Wave. Should we go in there really quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
We've never been in this one. You guys, should we act like tourists for a second?
Let's do it.
We'll see how it compares to our favorite sushi shop down by Taco Craft.
Oh, yeah.
In Lauderdale by the sea. Oh, look how fun. There's like sharks.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Oh, they carry Viore here.
Okay, all right.
Babe, I mean, is
I'm
it
a fan.
sign? We got your Florida Man
We got all
shirts
sorts
right
of
when you
goodies
walk
right
in.
there.
Oh, wow.
Look about in here.
You got your magnets.
Of course, you got the Maggies.
Okay, these are really cute. Look at these little workout tanks. That's really, really cute.
That is cute.
I like it.
$24.99 for that. Ooh, I'm a fan of this.
Oh, babe, they carry Salt Life too.
Look at this, Britt. You like that?
Oh, yeah, I like that. Let's hold it up. Let's see it.
Right?
Let's model it for everyone.
Yeah. I'm a fan. Or this one.
Yeah, those are both really nice. They're Viore.
Yeah.
I think that's a nice brand. They're supposed to be really soft, I think.
Yeah, they feel really soft. Holy smokes.
Are you guys fans of Viore out there? We actually have never bought anything Viore. Babe, Salt Life.
Oh,
These are all Salt Life stuff.
Salt Life is great.
They're fun. Oh, look at all these. Columbia.
Wow.
More Salt Life.
So this is like a sushi shop of like name brands. That's what I'm kind of getting at.
Yeah, I'm not seeing too much like Fort Lauderdale stuff like the other one. It's like more high-end sushi shop.
Yeah, these are all like actual brands.
Yeah, Salt Life.
Which, nothing wrong with that. It's still very cool.
Looks like they got snorkels, all the stuff in case you forget things. Ooh, swimmers.
Got tons of hats. You see that?
Lots of sunglasses.
Blenders. You guys want to know kind of a funny thing? So I used to have a sunglasses company. We sold it. And in the very beginning stages, we do a lot of different trade shows. We go to one in particular called the Surf Expo.
I remember every year you'd go to that.
Anyways, every single year we went, we were right next to these guys, Blenders Eyewears, and we started the exact same time that they did. Anyways, we sold ours, they hung on to theirs, and long story short, they're worth a lot of money.
Yeah, they're huge. Jared always says, I wonder if we would have just held on to that company a little longer, what would have happened, but kind of funny. Oh, they have cute swimsuits.
Oh, this is cute.
Necklaces.
That's the first Fort Lauderdale one I've seen.
Oh, those are cute. Yeah, Fort Lauderdale. This is really cute. You guys, look at this beach bag. It says Fort Lauderdale.
It's only 19 bucks.
Yeah, that's really cute.
Huge.
I like that a lot. The only issue with this, I like ones with holes in it so you can shake out sand easy.
You know, one thing I
But
thought
that is
about?
nice because things don't fall through it at the same time.
So I know we have like a lot of merch and we rarely ever talk about it. I was thinking, should we do more like Subi type stuff, you know, like Fort Lauderdale, like that sort of thing versus like the JB's, you know, thing. I don't know, just a
That's
thought. What do
actually
you
a
guys
good
think?
question. Yeah, let us know. Would you guys like stuff that's more Florida, like branded Fort Lauderdale?
Yeah, exactly.
Rather than Jared and Britt branded.
Yeah.
But look at the view right out when you walk out.
Yeah, that's
oh my gosh.
beautiful.
It is such a pretty day today. Holy cow. Okay, there's another sushi shop we have to go into. It's called Stylin'.
This is so soft.
It's so soft. Oh, that's really cute. With the matching pants.
Although you're going to die. How much do you think this costs?
It's 50% off though.
Oh.
I was gonna say it's probably like $100.
It is 115.
115, so 50. It's really soft. You guys, I just spotted these shirts though. Is this not Jared to a T?
Oh my gosh, this must be Chubby's. Yes, it is.
This is, oh, you knew it?
Yeah, I can tell from their branding.
Wow, these are so Jared.
Wow. My
That one's
goodness.
fun.
I love all of these.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Chubby's has the coolest in my opinion.
Babe,
Some of the
I love
coolest
this one.
branding.
Look at the pink with the alligators on it. That is so Florida.
That's very Florida.
This one's really cute too with the palm trees.
You know?
Jared had a store.
This would be it right here.
The wall of Jared. Guys, I've seen these everywhere too. These kind of bags. They actually sell something similar at Costco.
Look at this, SandCloud. Also another brand that was starting out at the same time we were.
Really? SandCloud?
They hung on to it and they're worth a lot now.
Man, maybe we need to start a beach company of
I
some
don't know.
kind.
I know, yeah.
All right, you guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed coming with us to the farmers market here
That
in
was
Fort
pretty fun.
Lauderdale, spending a little bit of time with us. We're going to go ahead and walk for a little bit, just soak in some of this beautiful sunshine. But we love you all, and we'll see you all next time.
See you guys, love you.
Bye.
Bye.